Sometimes the best days aren't perfectly planned. They're the slow mornings, the cup of tea, sitting outside, touching grass, and letting yourself breathe for a second. Today, honestly, started off with no agenda. We did a couple things, and I hope you guys enjoy what you see in this vlog. If you have not today, take a deep breath, go touch grass, and enjoy this vlog. Back to the vlog. Alright, so today is definitely a chill day. We finished watching church. I made some tea, went outside, touched some grass, things you do on Sunday just to reset for the week. I don't have a lot planned today. We are gonna go to Sam's, but really I am just trying to kill some time until Love Island come on. That's really the goal today. I don't have a lot, and yeah, so y'all just gonna have this slow reset Sunday with us, and yeah. All right, let's go. All right, guys, we are in the car and we are about to go to get a little mimosa and maybe a little snack. But first, we gotta do some adulting. We gotta go to Sam's and get some water. I'm gonna look at Sam's and see what kind of clothes they have, because sometimes Sam's be having some cute stuff, y'all. So let's just see. We'll do like a we'll buy, keep it, and go and make it go fry. I don't know. I just made that up.
We'll buy or fry.
We'll buy or fry. Let's do a we'll buy or fry in Sam's. Yeah. And then from there we'll go get mimosas. And then, I'm just literally waiting for Love Island to come on. So we're just burning time to the end, like I told y'all. So we'll see y'all at Sam's. We're in Sam's. I don't know. This is not our normal Sam's, so I don't know if they're gonna have some stuff in here. I'll check it out. Everything just looks like, I don't know what to say. Like, it's not. Yeah. The Sam's that we normally go to does have some stuff, but give me a second. Well, these are actually really pretty. Oh no. This is what? It's cute. I think there's men, so you probably have to get it tailored. Okay, so that was a fail. Tried to get y'all a little bit of something from Sam's, but no. No. There was nothing in there. All right, on to go get a momo. Okay, so I didn't get my momo, but I got a sangria spritz and it was so good. So we're done. I don't know. I think we're done dilly-dallying. I don't know exactly. I don't think we're chilling right now. We're about to go back to the house. We still got how long?
Tracy never came. Oh, it is 6:36, so we got an hour and a half.
We got an hour and a half to dilly-dally. We probably watched the last episode because me and Chris
let's stop by Urban Outfitters.
Okay. We're going to stop by Urban. See y'all there. told you I was gonna do a fit check, so let's go through it. I have on my KBB striped shirt that I got from Target, a mango skirt, my short sandals, my Bottega inspired Walmart bag, and a YSL hat. This hat was a collaboration with New Era and YSL, so it's like a dad hat. It's so cute. Love it so much. Chris got it. But yeah, so this is the outfit of the day.
Hey, Century. There are times when I look above and beyond. There are times when I feel your love around me, baby. I'll never forget my baby.
He got him scared. He almost missed his pants.
Started laughing together. She said, TJ, Brad, they're dead to me.
Alright, y'all, we just finished Love Island. They did have a watch party at Little Woodrow's, and I think what happened should have happened. If you are a Love Island fan, you know that Sean went home, which I feel like Sean should have went home, to be honest, now that I think about it, because in the beginning nobody wanted to date a guy with a kid. So technically, although they were sad because they got to know him, they really wasn't gonna have a deep connection with them. And Bia leave out. Yeah. And Bia leaving him made sense because she said she didn't want to talk to a guy with a kid either. So I think that, you know, all of the girls on there are pretty young. Oh, we got a ticket.
We got a what?
We got a ticket.
Why? It's free on weekends.
You not gonna get it out?
Yeah.
But all the girls on there are pretty young, like between 22 and 24. He's 29. He has a kid. So I just don't think that that was, you know, people's type, which makes sense. I understand. So although nobody wants to see him go home, he went home. So we about to go to the house and get ready. I was looking at the charts while I was at watching Love Island, but we're gonna go to the house to get ready for bed, and I'll talk to y'all when we get there. I've been realizing lately that slowing down doesn't mean you're falling behind. I think rest has a way of making life feel just a bit clearer. So today was simple: making the bed, cleaning up, moving my body, and easing my way back into a Monday instead of just pushing and rushing myself. So nothing dramatic, nothing groundbreaking, just small moments that make life feel a little softer. And honestly, I want more days like this. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. See you guys on Fashion Friday.
My dreams come true.